Upgrading from TradingView's free plan is a no-brainer, right? But the real question is, does the premium plan make you more money, or are you just overpaying for bragging rights? I traded with both Essential and Premium for months to find the actual profit difference. This isn't about features, it's about which tier turns your analysis into real results without wasting your money. Okay, let's get straight to the heart of this TradingView Essential Plan and Premium subscription comparison. So this isn't just about picking which subscription tier. It's choosing the tools that match your actual trading intensity. One is a powerful upgrade for developing traders, and the other is a full professional suite. TradingView Essential Plan is where the platform stops being just a free chart viewer. It's one step above. If you lose the ads, you can open 2 charts side by side in one tab, use up to 5 indicators on each, and set about 20 price alerts. For a casual trader, a hobbyist, or someone who trades a few times a week, this is a massive step up. It gives you enough room to perform real analysis on a couple of key stocks without feeling choked. But the moment your strategy evolves past that, when you need to monitor a full watch list or layer 10 indicators to confirm an entry or track complex alert conditions, the Essential Plan hits its limits. You'll be constantly closing charts or deleting old alerts to make room for new ones. It's built for learning and moderate action, not constant deep action, right? TradingView Premium, on the other hand, is a different beast. It is built for action, not just analysis. It's got many different alerts and indicators. So we're talking 8 charts in a single layout, 25 indicators on one chart, 400 price alerts, 400 server-side alerts, and 2 watchlist alerts. I used a 6-chart layout on my main screen to watch multiple time frames and correlated assets all at once. So for my swing trading, having that many indicators like multiple moving averages, RSI divergences, and volume profiles on a single chart without hitting a limit is a total game changer. It transforms how you see the market, and they're different levels. But don't just take my word for it. I looked at what other profitable traders are saying about, how I can get the full picture here. And I found this user who was talking about having purchased the TradingView Premium Plan during a sale, and he called it the best charting software, hands down. He mentioned he was 15 months into trading and said it was the first purchase he made when he decided to start trading for real, emphasizing that he couldn't imagine trading without it. I think this speaks directly to the Premium Plan being seen as the gateway to serious trading. Now, to be fair, the TradingView Essential Plan has its place for sure. The key is just understanding who it's for. The gap in price between them is real, so you need to know if that jump in features is necessary for you to be able to pay for it. Think of it this way. TradingView Essential is for the trader who has found a basic strategy and just needs a clean, powerful space to execute it on a few key setups. TradingView Premium is for the trader who's found an edge and needs an unlimited toolbox to exploit it across the entire market in real time. That's the core bias built into these plans, one for skill building, the other for profit scaling. All right, now that we know the Essential and Premium plans and how they serve different traders and have different key demographics and tools, let's break down what you're actually getting for your money behind the login screen. So I tested every major feature and tool, and the difference in what you do get and what you can do is huge. So let's start with the workspace, your charts, right? On TradingView Essential, you get 2 charts per tab, a solid upgrade from the free version, right? But on TradingView Premium subscription, you can get up to 8. So I currently run a layout with 6 charts, one for the primary chart, one for a sector ETF, one for a market breadth, and others for different time frames. This isn't just about screen real estate, it's about context. Seeing all that information correlated in real time is how you spot high probability trades. Unlike Essential, Premium removes all doubt about whether you're seeing the full picture. Then there are indicators. So Essential allows 5 per chart. For a simple strategy using a moving average and the RSI, that's fine, right? But my trend following setup uses 7 indicators on its own, and it already goes beyond that. It's just a few plans can completely blow past it. With TradingView Premium's 25 indicator limit, I can layer all of them, plus volume tools and custom scripts without a second thought. So this capacity is a massive advantage for developing or running complex strategies, and that's how they get you to go to a higher tier, is access to these. So alerts are where the TradingView Premium subscription truly separates itself. So Essential gives you about 20 total alerts, so that might cover a few price levels on a handful of stocks. Premium gives you 400 server-side alerts. I have alerts for RSI divergences, moving average crossovers, and volume spikes across my entire 50 stock watch list. They run 24/7, even when my computer is off. So this automation is a force multiplier for any active trader. Now, TradingView generally has some fantastic tools that make it worth paying for, right? The paper trading feature is seamless. I used it for weeks to test a new options strategy without risk, and because it's built right into the charts, the transition to live trading was really smooth. And speaking of options, if you trade them, the options strategy builder is incredible. You can build any spread and see the profit loss profile right on the chart. This tool alone can justify a subscription for an options trader, I think. You also have access to PineScript, which is basically this programming language inherent to TradingView. The community for TradingView has built over 150,000 scripts too, so you don't have to write it yourself. If you have a unique idea, though, you can find something, or you can just start from scratch and code it, and then backtest it and use it. It's a massive advantage over more closed platforms if you want to delve deep into how to code and how to use these codes that people have already built. But premium subscription does unlock exclusive advanced TradingView features over Essential, obviously. And one of these features is the Auto Chart Patterns tool. So this tool scans the chart and highlights patterns like head and shoulders or triangles automatically, so you don't need to do it yourself and base it on your judgment. So while I don't base my trades solely on this, it is a fantastic scanner that saved me hours of manual drawing. And that lets me quickly see what the algorithm is spotting, right? Another premium exclusive is access to elite community scripts like Trades AI Elite, which focuses on advanced price action and smart money concepts analysis. For traders following those methodologies, having a powerful all-in-one tool like this baked into the platform is a significant perk. I also loved the yield curves tool for macroeconomic insight. Comparing government bond yields across countries is professional-grade research that's just a click away in TradingView Premium. The sentiment in trading communities backs this up. On a Reddit thread where traders debated if the TradingView Premium Plan was worth it over Essential, multiple users confirmed the value that they got from it. One user who has the TradingView Premium subscription chimed in into this conversation, and they were saying that he has it, so he doesn't have to think about any limits, right? Or he doesn't have to worry about not having enough alerts, which is crucial for day trading. He mentioned he uses the Auto Chart Patterns feature sometimes, just turns it on for a second to see what it identifies. Another person mentioned that while Essential might be enough once you've settled on a simple strategy in the beginning, the freedom to experiment with many indicators in Premium was invaluable when he was developing his style. And another review I found from a satisfied Premium user mentioned that he has a TradingView Premium subscription specifically to see stock charts and indicators. He stated plainly that it helps him know when to buy and sell stocks. I mean, you should use a bunch more information points, but yeah, it can help in that too. So this is, I think, a great example of the TradingView Premium Plan delivering on its core promise to a bunch of people who, use different parts of the program and have different strategies. But of course, TradingView isn't perfect, so if you want to make the best choice between TradingView Essential and Premium for your uses, you should also know about the occasional downsides. So the most common complaint I've seen is that the mobile app can sometimes be glitchy for some people. One user review mentioned the watch list would load, but the chart wouldn't load, so they felt that it was an app issue. In my own first-hand experience testing both with the TradingView Essential and Premium plans on mobile, I found the app to be generally pretty reliable for checking charts and alerts. So, I mean, maybe every once in a while it needs like a quick refresh to refresh it because it's not refreshing automatically. Or it's like an internet thing, but it's never disrupted my trading. I see this as a very minor trade-off for using a cloud-based platform that's constantly being updated with new features. They prioritize their incredible charting engine and constant improvements, and if there is a rare fixable glitch every once in a while, I think that's fine and they should fix it, but I haven't encountered that. Certainly not a deal breaker for me. Now, when it comes to the cost between them, TradingView Essential Plan and the TradingView Premium subscription, I think, are priced pretty fairly for what they deliver. Essential, especially, is very reasonably priced for the serious upgraded that it obviously provides from the free version. It's the step up, so you're paying very little and you're getting more tools than the free version. And then Premium is, I think, also competitively priced within the professional charting software market for the immense capability that it unlocks. You get a lot of features for not as much as many other programs. So if you want to see more specifics, check the links in the description for their latest pricing plans and any current promotions or trial offers available. I'll keep the pricing link updated so that you can always make your decision based on the latest deals. So, after months of testing TradingView Essential versus Premium plans, where does that leave us? Here's my simple take. If you're a casual trader, still honing your strategy, you don't trade that often, and you're primarily focused on a few key assets, TradingView Essential is a fantastic, cost-effective upgrade from the free version, and hey, if you're past the free version and you're starting to decide to pay for more programs, TradingView Essential is a great start. But for turning market observation into consistent, actionable profits, and you want intense depth, and you want to future-proof yourself and understand more of the market, for my skill level, my vote goes to TradingView Premium. So to get started, check the link in the description below.